Your Maytag commercial washer might be continuously draining due to three main reasons: a malfunctioning drain pump, a faulty pressure switch, or a software glitch. The drain pump could be clogged with debris or worn out from heavy use. The pressure switch might be faulty, incorrectly signaling that the tub is full. A simple reset by unplugging the washer for 10 to 15 minutes might resolve a software glitch. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these problems. The drainage system in a Maytag commercial washer includes three key components working together: the drain pump, pressure switch, and control board. The pressure switch monitors water levels in the tub. It detects when the water reaches the appropriate level and signals the system to stop filling. When draining is needed, the pressure switch triggers the drain pump to expel water from the washer tub. The pump uses an impeller to force water out through the drain hose. The control board acts as the brain of the system, coordinating signals between the pressure switch and drain pump. It interprets sensor data and controls when draining occurs. A fault in any component can cause continuous draining. For example, a stuck pressure switch might falsely indicate high water levels, while a clogged drain pump can't expel water properly. The control board communicates all functions, so communication errors can be resolved with a simple reset that clears temporary glitches. A clogged or failing drain pump is a common cause of continuous draining in Maytag commercial washers. The pump's impeller can become obstructed by lint, coins, or other debris, preventing proper drainage. If the pump motor itself is failing from wear, especially in high-cycle commercial units, replacement is necessary. Always unplug the washer first for safety. To replace the pump, access it usually at the bottom of the unit. Disconnect the hoses and wiring, then remove the old pump and install a new one. Replacement pumps typically cost between $50 and $100, depending on the model. Regular maintenance can help prevent these issues. The pressure switch, or water level switch, monitors water levels in the washer tub. It can get stuck or corroded, falsely signaling that the tub is full, which triggers continuous draining. To troubleshoot, test the switch's continuity using a multimeter. This checks if the electrical circuit is working properly. If the switch is faulty, replace it with a new one. New pressure switches generally cost between $20 and $40. Resealing the switch can help prevent moisture ingress, especially important in humid environments like hotels or laundromats. Many issues can be resolved with a simple power cycle or control board reset. Unplug the washer for 10 to 15 minutes, then plug it back in and run a diagnostic cycle. This clears temporary glitches in the printed circuit board and might stop the continuous draining. As demonstrated by Repair Tech Appliance Wizard on YouTube, a reset fix on a Maytag Always
MHN
unplug the washer
33PD
first for safety.
can resolve draining issues in minutes.
After waiting
without
10 to
replacement
15
parts.
minutes, plug the washer back in and power it on. Follow the reset procedure in your washer's manual by running a diagnostic cycle to clear the system. Regular maintenance can prevent many draining issues in your Maytag commercial washer. Clean the filters every 6 months to avoid clogs from lint, coins, and other debris that can jam the drain pump. Using biodegradable detergents can also reduce clogs by minimizing residue buildup in the system. These simple maintenance steps can significantly extend the life of your Maytag commercial washer and prevent costly repairs. Looking ahead, expect advancements in smart diagnostics with AI-driven apps that can predict pump failures based on usage data. However, rising repair costs may drive more businesses toward leasing equipment over buying. Experts advise that user neglect causes 60% of draining problems, so prioritize regular cleaning and maintenance to keep your washer running smoothly.